If you're a fan of AI, if you're a fan of coding, things just seem to keep getting better and better. The products that are being released, the different things that are, the different tools that are available at our disposal, and so many of free resources that are available for everyone. Visual Studio Code just released Agent Mode as well now. It seems like so many competitors in the space. You have RuCode, you have Cursor, you have Bolt, you have, so many different options now with Google launching Firebase, and now also Visual Studio Code launching its new agent mode, also offering support for MCPs. It's available for free to all users. You guys can see it here, clear as day. You are just going to want to be able to go into your settings. I'm not going to go over it, but you'll go into your settings and you will go ahead and enable agent mode. You can find your settings. You'll be able to enable that. And then once you have that enabled, you'll also want to make sure that you have Copilot extension installed as well. And when you have that installed, you're able to give the AI agent control over your code base and over your projects in a way. You can also click this button here that says add context. And now you can also say, I want it to have my code base as its whole context. Here you can change from agent mode to edit mode to ask mode. So if you just want to ask some questions and come up with some ideas and make some plans about what you're going to do and how you're going to plan your project, you can do that here. But if you actually want to ask the AI to help you or make changes to your code and actually physically go in there, update files, delete files, add code, and things like that, you can go ahead and change it to agent mode here, and you'll be able to go ahead and give the AI any instructions or prompts that you want to in order to complete whatever project it is that you have in mind, guys. Also, you have the ability here as well to change between ChatGPT as well as Claude Sonnet, and I believe you're also able to add your own API keys from your favorite LLMs that you might like. So you can use other AIs and other LLMs to help you in your coding journey or help you as you're building new ideas and new products. Um, Another thing, guys, that I do hate to mention, yes, this product is free to start out, but you do have a monthly limit, guys. So you're going to have a limit to how many chat messages, how many code completions you can use with Copilot. But guys, this is just the beginning. There are so many options out there. There's literally no excuse nowadays not to build something. If you're looking to build, if you're looking to get into coding, now is the time, guys. There's so many good tools out there to learn and to help you to get to your destination faster. Guys, check out the new changes to Visual Studio Code with Copilot and its new agent features. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're going to build. Let me know about the other competing agentic coding programs that are out there that you might like over Visual Studio Code. Do you like Cursor? Do you like Windsurf more? Do you like RuCode? Let me know your thoughts, guys. Things are getting exciting in the coding space with everything as far as AI goes, and I'm looking forward to seeing more things on the horizon. Cheers.